Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead video for you. Now, today's job lead is from the known company U-Haul. They have multiple positions open. I'm going to be sharing two of them. We have part-time, we have full-time. So whatever you're looking for, hopefully this will be a fit for someone. Of course, this is going to be customer service type work, so you're gonna have to be okay with that. Pay is anywhere from $16 to $17 an hour. And of course, the links to all the pages I share, if you want to put those applications in, are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. They are direct links that take you directly to these pages. So first up, we have U-Haul hiring. Now, this is a part-time position, an e-live verification agent. It states that this would be a great part-time opportunity for students, teachers, or a second job. It looks like the hours they'll let you work around other priorities. This one is paying $16 an hour, and if you live in the Phoenix metro area, I would not apply to this if you're looking to work from home. Those will be required to work in the office. Everyone else is 100% remote. But they're basically looking for somebody to claim sessions for customers doing business via the truck share 24/7. You're going to review each session for accuracy while answering any questions the customer may have. You're going to determine the proper course of action utilizing the instructional materials that they give you. You will have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls for verification of alternate contacts. You'll communicate with the customer via phone and chat in an efficient and courtesy manner. You're going to review telephone, mail, and internet procedures for each communication that you receive from the customer and respond with a reply to each assigned customer within a specific time frame. Now, please note they are going to give you paid training. 1 week of training is instructor-led with an accelerated classroom education. This is probably done online through Zoom or WebEx. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody who has good listening skills, good communication skills. Someone who has inbound phone call experience is preferred. Of course, you have to have great customer service skills, great attention to detail, and be reasonable and predictable with your attendance. They need somebody who will actually show up and work. Now, as far as the schedule goes and working this in between other jobs, you can be available anytime, but their current business needs are anywhere from 4 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday through Sunday, so you can set your schedule during those hours. They do want somebody who is available on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Now, they have a lot of tech requirements listed as far as what your computer has to meet. It does look like you have to have your own computer equipment. Next up, for those looking for more of a full-time job, this one is going to be seasonal, but they're looking also for a sales and reservation agent. Now, this one comes with a paid 4-week education training program since it is going to be a full-time job. However, it is also seasonal. They're accepting applications through July 1st, and then August 31st is the end date of the seasonal position. So it's only about 8 weeks long, but it gives you something to work while you're putting those applications in to find your permanent full-time dream job. They are looking for somebody for this one who's available between 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. Arizona time, so you'll have to convert your time zone to that, but you'll basically be identifying and confirming the customer's moving needs, finding them solutions that match their needs with the available products or services that U-Haul offers. You'll recommend alternate products and services to them, and you'll maintain that high level of customer service. Again, no college degree is required. They do want somebody who has 1 year of customer service experience and somebody who can work in a fast-paced environment. And of course, you have to have a private work area. Again, it looks like you're going to have your own computer equipment. All right, if these job leads were not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.